Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. So this is going to be this week's lunch meal prep video. So for this week I'm going to do a keto parmesan crusted salmon, and I'm going to have a side of Brussels sprouts. So this is going to be a really quick and easy and really flavorful lunch for this week. I'm going to put in the description box the recipe for all of this. So the salmon will consist of a topping of shredded Parmesan. And then I have some sour cream, which will make this nice and rich and delicious. I have minced garlic, and I have vegetable seasoning that I'll add to the topping to top on top of the salmon. And then I'm going to do a side of Brussels sprouts, and I'm going to toss the Brussels sprouts in this balsamic garlic vinaigrette. Really great. I love cooking my veggies with this kind of vinaigrette on top. So good. So this is going to be a sheet pan meal. I have my oven preheating right now to 400 degrees. And so I will cook all of this on one sheet pan, and it'll be super easy to clean up. So once everything is cooked and ready to go, I'll portion it into my meal prep containers so that lunch is ready to go, it's portioned out, and we have a healthy meal ready for each day this week. So I love staying organized by having my meals prepped so I don't have to worry about what I'm gonna have for lunch. Each day it is ready to go. So I will get this all going, and also subscribe to my channel if you are new here so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Click the bell button so that you get that notification, and I will get all this ready to go and cooked for the week.
All right, so for the topping for the salmon, I have 2 tablespoons of sour cream. I have 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. I have 1 teaspoon of vegetable seasoning and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. So this topping for the salmon is so delicious. It's so rich, and it'll be really good, a lot of flavor on top of the salmon. So I'm gonna mix this all the way through so that it is ready to go. So I have the salmon on my baking mat, and I'm going to just dollop the mixture of sour cream and Parmesan cheese on top of each piece, and then I will spread it out so that it is coating the top of the salmon. So this is so yummy, like I said, so rich and creamy, and it will give this salmon so much wonderful flavor. I love baking salmon in the oven. It is so easy, and it's just perfect to have for meal prep or for a nice quick and easy dinner on a weeknight. So I just love making salmon, and making it on the baking mat also is so easy for cleanup. I love my baking mat. I will link this one in the description. I got it on Amazon, but super great to have for an easy cleanup. And so I have my aged balsamic vinaigrette. It's so great. You can find it in most grocery stores. It's made by Kraft. This is really, really good on roasted vegetables. So I have it on my Brussels sprouts. I'm going to toss it around a bit, and then I will put it on my baking mat next to my salmon, and I just love cooking all of this together. So it's all going to be done at the same time, and it's so easy. I'm going to put it in the oven now. It has preheated to 400 degrees, and I'm going to put it in the oven for about 20 minutes.
All right, so this super quick and easy salmon is ready to go. It's been cooling for a little bit, so now I'm gonna portion it into my meal prep containers. I have these glass containers that I use for my meal prepping. They're really great. I got them on Amazon, and I'll link them in the description if you need some new meal prep containers. These are wonderful. I use them for my breakfast and for my lunch. They're a perfect size. So I'll get the salmon and Brussels sprouts portioned into my containers. So this sheet pan recipe is so quick and easy. I will put the recipe for it in the description box. I just love sheet pan recipes for meal prepping and for quick dinners. Because like I said, the cleanup is so easy and you can just cook everything all at once, put in the oven, and then you don't have to worry about it all while it's cooking. So I will put the recipe for this in the description. Like I said, it's so good with this Parmesan crusted sauce on the salmon. So subscribe to my channel if you are new and click the bell button so that you get a notification each time I post a new video. I hope that you have a great day. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.